LS Swap 5.3 4L60E. No reverse. We about to drop the transmission today. Get it over to the transmission shop tomorrow. Get this thing back to the paint shop so we can get it ready. We gonna get on it, man. We'll get back to y'all when we get it ready. Gotta bust the drive shaft out. 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if y'all can see that. So here we go. Yeah, I'm old school. I got ratchet. Time for the cross member to come out. We got some plugs to remove. Remove the transmission mount. Then it should hang down. Should be able to get the bolts from the top pretty easy. So we got the cross member out, the linkage undone. We got the exhaust manifold disconnected. Okay. Now we get ready. We got 2 bolts left to get it up out. I don't know if y'all can see that, it's kind of dark. Got that one right there and that one right there. Then we'll be tranny off to the shop to get this motherfucker rebuilt so we can burn some goddamn rubber. God damn it, it's time to see if this bitch is ready to drop here. I think she is. No, she ain't. No, she ain't. No, she ain't. Transmission is out. On the way to go get a fresh rebuild. Yeah. Yeah. We working. Ooh, man.